In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Tradingview widget in Notion. We're going to walk through the full process from your Notion page to creating an embeddable Tradingview widget link using a tool like Action, and then bringing that live chart right into your workspace. By the end, you'll have an interactive chart you can resize and use inside any Notion page. First, open the Notion page where you want the Tradingview widget to live. This can be a dashboard, a notes page, or a dedicated trading journal. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add new blocks. Now click on the spot in the page where you want the chart to appear. You should see the blinking cursor there. Start by typing a /, then the word embed. As you type, Notion will show you a list of block options. When you see the embed block appear in the list, click on it. This tells Notion that you're about to paste in a link that should be displayed as an embedded element, not just plain text. Before we can use that block, we need a URL that Notion is allowed to embed. Tradingview's widgets are usually provided as code snippets, so we'll use a helper tool like Action, or you could use a similar tool such as CodePen to turn that code into an embeddable link. Open a new browser tab and go to the Action page for Tradingview widgets. There, you'll see different templates or apps related to Tradingview. Click on the option that lets you create or use a Tradingview widget for Notion. Inside that page, you'll typically find a field where you can customize the widget. For example, choosing the symbol, theme, or layout. Make any adjustments you need so the chart matches what you want to see in Notion. Once it's configured, look for a button or link that generates an embeddable URL. This might be labeled as something like embed link or similar. Click that and you'll get a special URL. Copy that entire link to your clipboard. Now go back to your Notion page, to the embed block you created earlier. Click into the field that asks for a link and paste the URL you just copied from Action. Then confirm by clicking the button to embed the link. Notion will load a preview and then show your Tradingview widget directly on the page. You can drag the corners to resize it or move the block around to position it exactly where you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a Tradingview widget inside Notion.